Welcome to You Got a Mail, a creative and engaging group activity that combines teamwork, innovation, and a focus on human rights. Let's dive into how you can bring your ideas to life and make a difference. This activity begins with dividing participants into small groups of 3 to 4 people. Each group will work together to design a unique humanitarian project focused on human rights. You'll receive a worksheet with 2 sides. A list of fundamental human rights to inspire your project. A table to guide your project development, including sections for title, logo, place, objectives, target audience, implementation plan, expected impact. Here's how to execute the activity. In your groups, begin by discussing the list of human rights provided. Choose one or more rights that resonate with you and your team. Use the table to shape your project, step by step. Think about, what's the title of your project? What logo will represent it? Where will the project take place? What are its objectives? Who is your target audience? How will you implement it? And finally, what impact do you hope to achieve? After all the presentations, it's time for reflection. Take a moment to think about your experience and discuss these questions with the group. Did you enjoy working as a team? What challenges did you face? What new things did you learn? What did you like best about the activity? What did you like the least? What impact do you hope your project could have? These reflections help connect the activity to real-world insights and improvements for future projects. Thank you for participating in You Got a Mail. Together, you've demonstrated the power of teamwork and creativity to address human rights issues. Now let's take these ideas beyond the classroom and into the world.